Here we go back to the first half. Duckins Nazan, I don't know how he wiggled his way through, but he did. Finds the back left, and that would be the first goal of the evening in a dominant first half by Haiti. Nazan just again watching a slow motion get by 6 different players, and then finding the back left corner for that first goal. Nothing Sandy Sanchez could do on that. Here Nazan on the other side sends it across and cleared away, but then off the rebound and then shot back, and Sanchez able to dive on top. Nazan, he was creating all night, not just doing it in terms of scoring, but also in terms of assisting, as he would get an assist later on. And here you see the fire, the kick save, and then the putback by Luis Paradella. And that would have everyone all knotted up at 1. Paradella would get his 5th goal on that. But unfortunately for Cuba, that would not be enough, as they had the equalizer. Here you had a shot from Luis and another kick save on the play. I think most goalies would have scooped that one in, but maybe misjudged there by Placide. But here you get Nazan working it towards the end line, bringing it back to LaFrance with the left, and finally putting the goal in for Kevin LaFrance, his first in qualification play, and an assist there for Duckins Nazan. So 6 goals for Duckins Nazan, and now 3 assists. One tonight, as you see Kevin